Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to cancel domain on IONOS. The first thing I want you to do is just log into your IONOS dashboard, come to the top left, click on menu, and then click here on my account, okay? And then here you'll see contracts and subscriptions, click on that. And now I want you to scroll down until you see your domain that you want to cancel. So I have this domain, it will renew next year. So I want you to go ahead and click on that domain you want to cancel. And then here, essentially under details, you'll see this disable automatic renewal. Okay. And this is the date it renews on. So I'll click on that. And then, okay, once we go ahead and confirm that we have canceled it, it will essentially not renew. Okay. And it will be canceled. So you'll just choose any reason right here. There we go. Just choose any reason, and then you can click here on next, and you should see right here this warning message, because you cannot get this back after the expiration date. There's some effects of this deactivation. Just say you understand the implications, okay? And then you can click on disable automatic renewal, and you should get this right here. The domain registration terms have been changed, and this will expire on this date. It will not be renewed. So that is how to cancel a domain on IONOS.